Ceramic coatings are all the rage now. You see them advertised for the do-it-yourselfer all the way to professional installation. Ceramic coatings provide additional gloss, protection against dirt, bird bombs, UV rays. Our professional process involves multiple steps. We start with a thorough 2-bucket method wash, followed by a decontamination process. It's chemical and mechanical decontamination. We apply an iron-removing product to the paint, which removes the embedded iron particles in the clear coat, followed by a clay bar step. Next, we will do paint correction. Paint correction can be as extensive as a compound followed by a polish. The compound removes the scratches, the polish removes the fine swirls, or simply a one-step polish method. We then apply the ceramic coating in a 2-stage process to apply 2 coats of the ceramic coating. Finally, we bake the coating on with our IR light. This protection will last for years to come.
Contact Immaculate Paint Protection today. Protect against damage from driving tomorrow.